In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw funds from your Temu account seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, understanding how to access your money efficiently is crucial. So let's dive in and get you started on this simple process. First, you'll want to begin by checking your Temu account settings to ensure everything is set up correctly for withdrawals. To do this, log into your Temu account and locate the Menu or Options tab, usually found in the top right corner of the platform's interface. Once there, navigate to the Settings section. This area holds various options related to your account, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if it's your first time here. The specific tab you're interested in is labeled Payment Settings or something similar, depending on updates or changes in the interface. Once inside Payment Settings, you'll see various options related to managing your finances on the platform. The next step is linking your preferred payment method, which could be either PayPal, a bank account, or another available method based on your region. To link your payment method, find the Add Payment Method button. Clicking it should prompt you for the necessary information. If you're adding PayPal, for instance, you'll need to log into your PayPal account to confirm the connection. If it's a direct bank account, you're likely to need to provide details, like your bank's name, account number, and sometimes a SWIFT or routing number. Make sure to double check all information you input during this stage. The accuracy of these details is vital to ensure your funds are directed correctly without any issues. Once you've filled in and confirmed your payment details, the platform may ask you to verify the information through an email or text message, depending on the security settings you've chosen. This step is essential to protect your financial information and ensure that all transactions are authorized. Now that your payment method is securely linked, you're ready to move forward. Return to your account's main dashboard if not already there, and look for the option that says Withdraw Funds. Clicking on it should guide you through a series of prompts where you'll specify the amount you'd like to withdraw from your Temu account. The interface will also display your linked payment method, allowing you to confirm or change it if necessary. What you'll find here are a few final prompts aimed at confirming the withdrawal details. Be sure to review everything once more, ensuring that the withdrawal amount and the receiving account details are correct. If everything looks good, click the Confirm or Submit button to initiate the transaction. Usually the withdrawal process takes a few business days depending on the transaction terms and your banking institution's policies. It's a good idea to keep an eye on both your Temu account and your payment method account to track when the funds become available. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've navigated your Temu account to withdraw funds efficiently. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to Temu's customer support for assistance. Thanks for tuning in and happy withdrawing.